Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Modern bathrooms are no longer just functional spaces, they are becoming calm, thoughtfully designed environments that blend comfort, style, and everyday practicality. The focus is shifting toward clean layouts, soft lighting, and natural textures that create a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere. At the same time, there is a strong move towards simplicity and visual balance. Hidden storage, seamless surfaces, and minimal detailing help reduce clutter while making the space feel more open and refined. Alongside these design choices, subtle technology and improved materials are enhancing both comfort and usability. Together, these elements are shaping bathrooms into spaces that feel more like personal retreats, where design and function exist in perfect harmony. Warm minimalism continues to define modern bathroom design, shifting the focus from stark, clinical spaces to environments that feel soft, balanced, and inviting. Instead of cold whites and sharp contrasts, the palette moves toward warm neutrals like sand, beige, muted stone, and gentle earth tones that instantly create a sense of calm. Clean lines remain essential, but they are now paired with softer edges and natural textures. Smooth stone surfaces, light wood finishes, and matte materials bring subtle depth without overwhelming the space. The result is a bathroom that feels minimal, yet far from empty or cold. Lighting plays a key role in this approach, with warm ambient tones replacing harsh brightness. Integrated LED strips, softly glowing mirrors, and indirect wall lighting help shape a relaxing atmosphere while highlighting architectural details in a quiet, refined way. The overall effect is a bathroom that feels intentional and uncluttered, where every element has a purpose and contributes to a peaceful, lived-in elegance. Spa-inspired design continues to shape modern bathrooms, turning everyday routines into moments of relaxation and calm. The focus is on creating a space that feels restorative, almost like a private wellness retreat within the home. Freestanding soaking tubs remain a defining feature, offering both visual elegance and a sense of comfort. They are often paired with open layouts that allow the bathtub to become a central focal point rather than something hidden away. Showers are also evolving into full sensory experiences. Rainfall shower systems, steam functions, and smooth temperature control create a more immersive and comfortable environment, enhancing the feeling of a personal spa. Natural materials play an important role in strengthening this atmosphere. Stone finishes, warm wood accents, and soft textiles help ground the space, while subtle greenery adds a refreshing, organic touch. Lighting completes the experience with soft, layered illumination that avoids harsh contrasts. The goal is a bathroom that feels calm, balanced, and deeply relaxing, where design supports both comfort and everyday well-being. Statement stone and large format surfaces are becoming a defining feature of modern bathroom design, bringing a strong sense of luxury and visual continuity. Instead of busy patterns or fragmented tiles, the focus shifts to expansive surfaces that feel smooth, seamless, and refined. Large porcelain slabs and oversized tiles reduce grout lines, creating a cleaner and more uninterrupted look across walls and floors. This approach makes even compact bathrooms feel more open and structured. Natural stone-inspired finishes are especially popular, with bold veining and subtle tonal movement adding character without overwhelming the space. These materials often act as a focal point, especially when used on feature walls or in walk-in showers. Integrated elements, such as built-in sinks and continuous countertop surfaces, enhance the sense of cohesion. The overall effect is a bathroom that feels architectural, polished, and effortlessly modern. Smart technology is becoming a natural part of modern bathroom design, blending convenience with subtle sophistication. The focus is on improving everyday comfort while keeping the visual design clean and uncluttered. Touchless fixtures are increasingly common, including motion-activated faucets and automated lighting systems that respond naturally to movement. These features enhance hygiene while maintaining a sleek, minimal appearance. Smart mirrors are also redefining functionality, offering integrated lighting, anti-fog systems, and discrete display features that support daily routines without disrupting the design. Similarly, digital shower controls allow precise adjustments for temperature and water flow, creating a more personalized experience. Even toilets and water systems are evolving, with efficient, low-consumption designs and intelligent features that prioritize both comfort and sustainability. The key idea is subtle innovation, technology that improves the space without drawing attention to itself. Lighting has become one of the most important elements in modern bathroom design, shaping both mood and functionality. Instead of relying on a single overhead source, the focus is on layered lighting that builds depth and atmosphere throughout the space. Ambient lighting sets the overall tone, often using soft ceiling fixtures or hidden LED strips that create a gentle, even glow. This base layer helps establish a calm and balanced environment. Task lighting is then introduced where precision is needed, especially around mirrors and vanities. Integrated mirror lighting or side sconces ensure clarity without harsh shadows, making daily routines more comfortable and visually clean. Accent lighting adds the finishing touch, highlighting architectural details, textures, or feature walls. Subtle under-vanity lights or backlit surfaces can create a floating effect that adds a quiet sense of luxury. Together, these layers transform the bathroom into a more dynamic and inviting space, where light not only serves a purpose but also defines the overall mood and style. Natural materials and biophilic design are playing a major role in shaping modern bathrooms, bringing a stronger connection to nature into everyday spaces. The goal is to create an environment that feels calm, grounded, and visually balanced through organic textures and earthy tones. Wood finishes are commonly used in vanities, shelving, and accent details, adding warmth against stone and neutral surfaces. Stone elements, whether natural or carefully crafted alternatives, reinforce a sense of durability and timeless style. Biophilic design extends beyond materials, incorporating natural light and greenery to soften the overall look. Plants placed near windows or in subtle corners help introduce freshness and a sense of life into the space without overwhelming the design. Textured finishes such as clay-inspired walls or matte surfaces further enhance this natural aesthetic. Together, these elements create a bathroom that feels more connected to the outdoors while still maintaining a refined, modern identity. Custom storage is becoming essential in modern bathroom design, with a strong emphasis on keeping surfaces clean, organized, and visually calm. The idea is to integrate storage seamlessly so it supports the design rather than interrupting it. Floating vanities are widely used to create a lighter, more open feel while still offering practical storage underneath. Inside, smart drawer systems and organizers help keep everyday essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. Built-in storage solutions are also gaining popularity, especially recessed shelving in showers and concealed cabinets within wall structures. These features maintain a streamlined look while maximizing functionality in smaller or larger spaces alike. The overall approach prioritizes clutter-free living, where every item has a designated place. This sense of order enhances the feeling of luxury and makes the bathroom experience more relaxing, efficient, and visually refined. Modern bathrooms are increasingly moving towards subtle personalization, where clean design is balanced with carefully chosen bold accents. Instead of overwhelming decoration, the focus is on a few standout elements that add character and identity to the space. Statement mirrors, sculptural lighting, and uniquely shaped fixtures are becoming key design features. These elements introduce visual interest while still maintaining a refined and cohesive overall look. Material contrasts also play an important role, with combinations like matte finishes paired with brushed metals or smooth stone against textured surfaces. Warm metallic touches such as brass or bronze help soften minimal layouts and add a sense of understated luxury. Decor is kept intentional and minimal, often limited to a few curated pieces like trays, vases, or subtle art-inspired objects. The result is a bathroom that feels personal and expressive, yet still clean, modern, and visually balanced. Open, seamless shower designs are defining modern bathroom layouts by removing visual barriers and creating a more spacious, continuous flow. The emphasis is on simplicity, accessibility, and a clean architectural look that feels effortless. Frameless glass enclosures are widely used to maintain openness while allowing other design elements, such as stone walls or textured tiles, to remain visible and uninterrupted. Curbless shower entries further enhance this effect, blending the shower area smoothly into the rest of the bathroom floor. Large format tiles or continuous stone surfaces are often used inside the shower to reduce visual breaks and create a unified aesthetic. Linear drains and hidden hardware contribute to the minimal appearance while improving functionality. The overall result is a shower space that feels integrated rather than separated, offering a sleek, modern experience that enhances both comfort and visual harmony. Modern bathroom design is moving toward a more thoughtful balance of comfort, simplicity, and refined detail. From more minimalism and spa-inspired elements to smart features, natural materials, and seamless layouts, each idea contributes to a space that feels more calm, functional, and visually unified. What stands out most is the shift toward bathrooms that feel personal and intentional, where design choices support both everyday routines and moments of relaxation. Clean lines, layered lighting, and subtle textures all work together to create a sense of harmony without unnecessary complexity. If these ideas inspired you, explore more interior design content from HD Interiors, and continue discovering new ways to shape spaces that feel modern, timeless, and beautifully livable.